The research community at Stockopedia is an incredibly vibrant one, led by our experienced editorial team who scan the market daily for new opportunities, but also with the thousands of contributions from our community who add comments under articles and post their own ideas. It all starts on the Today page. In this research section, you'll find the latest articles published by our team on screening, small caps, market wraps, stock pitches, education, and more. You can click straight through from here to read the article in the article view. As you read it, you can like it if you like it, you can find out how many comments there are, who the author is, and see a link directly to their blog. As you scan down the article and read it, you'll see on the right here a stock widget that tells you all the key fundamentals about each of the shares that are mentioned in that article, including the symbol, quote, classifications, profile info, key statistics, including our famous StockRanks, as well as a chart which shows you the long-term history of the share. You can click through instantly for more and further information. Beneath the article, you can add a reply. This adds your comment underneath the article, which is a great way to introduce yourself to the community, which you will find is not full of the negative forces on unmoderated and non-subscriber free websites. You can also read all the comments underneath, and again, click reply to directly reply to any of those comments, which will thread it directly underneath. If you don't have a comment to make, please do like the comments that you read. It's really helpful for the author of them to know that they're getting read. In the sidebar, which you can pin, you will find links to all of our blogs, such as on small caps, which are written daily, stock pitches, which are weekly, which go in depth into different stocks week to week, model portfolio written by me, stock screening articles, market analysis, and international stock insights. You can also, by clicking all posts, see the entire community contribution, which merges our own editorial and the contributions of the community. On your own portfolios, under folios in the sidebar, you will see that there is a discussion tab. That's a great way to find out if anything's been written specifically about the stocks in your watch list or your portfolio in recent times. And of course, every week we send a newsletter with the best publications from the community and our editorial team directly to all our subscribers. So please do check your email inbox.